Hi there, welcome back to Wade's Garage. Now, just going to do a little bit of an unboxing for the business. Now, I picked up a HR HD tailgate from one of my Facebook friends, Peter. Thanks heaps for helping me out with that. Should come in handy. I'll be able to hopefully get some lengths of steel and make lower section repairs of the frame. I am going to look into making, I'll flip this around, making the inner of my tailgate after I have gone through and basically de-skin it so I can straighten out certain areas of mine, because it's got dents along the top and that, and it's all wavy in the middle and that, so I'm going to make something to help straighten that area out. The bottom bit's pretty good. There is a little bit of damage in that area there and that, so I will try and de-skin this eventually, because it's got rust bubbles coming up in here as well. And as I said, I'm going to try and remake the inside section of the tailgate. So anyway, we'll be back very shortly, so yeah, tune in. If you haven't liked, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, please do. Still trying to hit that 1,000 mark, magic 1,000, and that, so yeah, so I'll catch us all shortly after the intro. Ciao. So, this tailgate came shipped today, and that, like I said, but I'm just going to do this one-handed. Let's see if we can. I'm going to try and save some of this bubble wrap. Yep, there we go. I'll come down around this side. Off. Oh, a little damaged up here. And a 20. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's cool. That's a panel van tailgate, because it's got this recess here on both sides. And that, so yeah, it's got the recess here. It's got the panel van, see? So it's actually pretty good. It's got lower rust sections, rust areas in it all the way around, but that's okay. A bit of a dimple and a bit of a damage spot there, but the upper's okay. So yeah, so we'll try and one-handedly flip this over. So yeah, so there's rust along the top, but that's okay. So it's intact on the inside, and that, which is what I was wanting, and that, And yeah, unfortunately it's pressed out there, got damaged there somehow. I just don't know if they're supposed to be like this, because it's shaped in ways and then straight back out. So, but this is the template that I was wanting. There's this whole section here, because with this whole section here I can bead this section out and try and redo the sides and all the way down and around, and that for a bit of a lip. So yeah, so I will have to go along and clean up this area, straighten this back out. There's a little damage there, but thanks Peter, mate. That will be good for what I am needing, and that because I've got to make a tool for this section and a tool so I can press these in, and that for when I do this section here. So because I'm going to do a universal section, try and break it so it's dead in the middle, and that raise it that way, raise it that way, fold here, fold there, and then I'll put a lip here and that to run it across. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that unboxing. Another panel to the collection to reproduce this inner section here. So this is going to be fun to try and make a bit for this, and a bit for this one. Not too sure what that hole was for. I think that might have been added. So yeah. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. I just thought I'd show you that, just to get another little video done. I'm still trying to find some footage from the lower guard section repair. It's disappeared on my phone, so I've got to go through my phone and try and find it. So anyway, until next time, stay safe. I just want to shout out to a couple of guys. Basically Arco and Heidi, Glenn, Half-Ass Customs, Sobering Restorations, Justin at Eastern Metalworks. There's a bunch of other guys that I can never remember the names of, but yeah, I'm going to try and get a list up for the next video and shout out at the end of that one. So anyway, thanks everyone, take it easy, till next time, cheerio and stay safe.